It's known that enterprise operations teams updates the same record 3 times on average. Once in your database, once in your management tool, and once in your reporting dashboard. That's not a workflow, that's a triple entry bookkeeping. And when those 3 versions don't match, nobody knows exactly which one is real. Well, Appsmith now connects directly to monday.com. Our latest integration builds apps that creates boards directly into your CRM, updates statuses when your pipeline changes, archive projects when invoices closes. There's a lot of things that can happen with this new integration. There's no need to deal with monday.com GraphQL complex layer. Your customer database can now push directly to your project boards. If you are paying for Monday but actually manually feeding it data, then you're paying twice. If your team context switches between Monday and your actual systems of record, well, that ends today. Connect monday.com and Appsmith today. Read the integration docs and check the announcement post. Automate one workflow this afternoon that's been eating your Monday every Monday. You know, because of monday.com. See you on the next one.